Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So first of all, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, please do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Yep, that big red button. Go ahead and hit that one. And right next to that subscribe button should be a little bell icon. Go ahead and hit that bell icon too, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put a new video out, so you might want to check this out. So with that, we're going to jump right into this. So today we are actually talking about not a feature, but a promotion that Royaltie was doing or still is doing in July of 2019. So they were waiving the activation fee for any subscription for new customers. So they have 3 subscriptions. That's the starter pack, the entrepreneur pack, the small business pack, and those are, you can see the price right here. So different things. The starter pack comes with 3 websites, landing pages, whatever you want to call them, capture pages, 5,000 online ads, 2,500 marketing emails. It's okay to get your feet wet. You know, what I'm personally using the most popular one, of course, the entrepreneur pack. And that actually, for what you're getting a lot. You're getting unlimited websites and landing pages, capture pages. You can use that for so many things for your business. It's just ridiculous. It's crazy how many things you can use for it. You get the 10,000 ads, online ads, anywhere you want in the world, on over 1 million apps and websites. Anywhere you want. It goes more detail. Check my videos out for more description about that one. Also, 10,000 marketing emails, priority support, team chats, file sharing, and analytics. So just touch on the marketing emails a little bit. That's a email responder, email campaign. It's pretty cool. You know, this is all included in the all-in-one platform. Pretty awesome. So yes, and if you have a bigger organization, you can actually go with the small business. That's $327 a month. I'm not at that point yet, but who knows? I think I will get there. But you get unlimited websites, of course. Again, 50,000 online ads. That's a lot of online ads. 50,000. You can do a lot with that one. So you get a lot of traction, a lot of leads, a lot of people who are seeing your business, getting your business in front of people's eyes and on their phone devices, cell phones, laptops, tablets. The list goes on and on, guys. Super priority support. So basically, you're getting first come, first serve. I mean, it's like you get there, boom, you're actually gonna get response, and people are the support team for Royaltie, and their support is A1. They've come a long way for their support. They have live Zoom chat support. They have email support. They have chat support. So cool, guys. But yeah, you get that, the file sharing and analytics as well. So those are what you get in the packages. But yeah, like I said, they for the month of July, they were doing a promotion waiving the activation fee. That's $30. Well, tomorrow's the last day, July 31st, and this it's sad. You'll have to pay an activation fee, but I got good news. You will only have to pay an activation fee for the starter packet. So if you go with the entrepreneur packet or the small business packet, you will not have to pay an activation fee. And that's great. That's awesome. That's another way to save money, so you're not paying that activation fee to get started with one of the best packages that you have right here. So here again, always giving value to their customers and their affiliates. And with that, guys, I want to just share that with you guys. So don't wait. Get in on it, because I recommend going with the most popular one, because you get more bang for your buck, and the value just constantly goes on. You'll constantly get access to all of the new features that comes out in the future that Royalties is rolling out and is going to roll out. So with that, guys, let me know if you have any comments, questions in the comments below, or you can hit me up on my cell phone. 925-752-8897. That's my personal line. Us also will be in the description below. So with that, guys, you have a great one. Hope you got a lot of value from this one, and you guys be blessed. So take care. Talk to you in the next one, and see you on the next video.